Hello everyone, welcome back to Slaughter Food Creations. Paulie here. Got a great recipe again for you. Parmigiano Reggiano and fresh basil crusted cod. You're not going to want to miss this. Even if you don't like fish, you will love this. So stay tuned. I'll show you how it's done. Okay, here are the ingredients for our cod. I've got softened, unsalted butter. I've got breadcrumbs over here that I made with stale bread, our fresh basil, finely chopped, and Parmigiano Reggiano that I grated with a microplane. So let's get it mixed together and we'll get our cod all slathered up. Right, the next step with our dish is to pat dry your cod pieces and season with kosher salt and cracked black pepper. As you can see here, I've done that. Now it's time to get the coating on. Alright, we've got our coating on, and I've got a non-stick skillet that's heating up on medium-high heat. So we'll get ready to put this in there, top side down there, and we'll let it go for about 2.5 minutes or so each side because of the size of this piece. But each piece is different, so you'll have to gauge how long it is each side. But this being about just less than an inch or so, it's going to be about 2.5 minutes each side. So we'll get this seared up. Okay, our skillet's heated up, so let's go in there with it. Alright, it's been going 3 minutes, so we're ready to give it a flip here. Ah, look at that. Gorgeous. We'll let it go another 2.5, 3 minutes on this side. Alright, there is our cod. And I have some chive for garnish, but there it is. Nice Parmesan basil crusted cod. It is really good, and you can also check out my version without breadcrumbs. Just as good, the flavor's there, and no carb. But anyway, thanks for watching. See you next time.